Idyllwild Arts respectfully acknowledges Kawishpa Kawiakna, also known as the Cahuilla Band of Indians, and all 9 sovereign bands of Cahuilla people who have stewarded this land throughout the generations and for generations to come. Hello, my name is Pamela Jordan, and I'm president of Idyllwild Arts. Each year, as the summer months wind down, we turn our attention to school returning in the fall. This year is not different, but it requires that we think differently about how we connect with our students and how we bring them back to campus. As we prepare to start school on August 31st and to bring students to campus on October 1st, we do so with 2 priorities in mind. First and foremost, the health and safety of our students, faculty, and staff. And second, the on-campus and online experience of our students. Today, Marianne Kent-Stall, head of school, and Justin Barrett, vice president of student operations, will share some of the details. We hope that we are able to convey, we can't wait for our students to return. See you soon.
Hello, my name is Marianne Kent-Stall, and I am head of Idyllwild Arts Academy. Welcome. We are eager to connect students to highly experienced teachers, professional artists, and a community of like-minded young artists who are passionate about their pursuit of art making and the creative process of learning. On August 31st, students will join our virtual online community. We are committed to delivering a robust curriculum that is engaging and innovative. Students will have the ability to learn in independent settings wherein they can accelerate at their own pace. Thus, their individual needs will be met. In addition, they will have opportunities throughout the week to have multiple contacts with their teachers and with their classmates. While students have been away, we have been busy on campus installing state-of-the-art technology so that the online learning experience can be authentic and uninterrupted. Teachers will be teaching in a professional setting with large Zoom screens, up-to-date computers, and up-to-date software. And when students return, they will have access to this technology in addition to spacious classrooms and the outdoor spaces that ensure safety and well-being. We look forward to seeing you, and in the meantime, stay safe. And now I would like to introduce you to Justin Barrett, Vice President of Student Operations. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Justin Barrett, Vice President of Student Operations. Like Marianne said, this summer we've been busy preparing our facilities and programs for a safe and healthy return to campus. We have over 200 acres of land with plenty of space for students to explore, make art, and socialize while practicing all of the precautions we have in place. We'll be using many of our outdoor spaces for classes and events, and we're adapting our indoor spaces with properly spaced seating and all of the technology needed for students to participate in our programs in person and remotely. In the dining hall, we're making changes to how we serve food and are scheduling meals for small groups to give everyone plenty of time to eat while being spaced out. In the mailroom, we'll be delivering all mail and packages to the dorms. We have a fully staffed health center with nurses available around the clock to care for our students. We're keeping a close eye on campus with our security and nursing staff greeting all visitors and making sure anyone coming to Idyllwild Arts has performed a daily health screening. We're here for you, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.